Assalamualaikum and good morning. So I will start our presentation about mini project presentation civil engineering drawing DCC10283. So this is our team member. First, myself, Ahmad Kamal bin Ahmad, number matrix 07 DKA 24F1034. Second, Dian Arif Akmal bin Darmayanto, matrix number 07 DKA 24F1051. And our third and last member, Dayang Nur Adlina Diana binti Awang Hamidi, matrix number 07 DKA 24F1083. So I will start with our total built area for our house. So the total built area is approximately 137.88 square meter or 1484.15 square feet. As you can see, here's the floor plan that we draw with using AutoCAD. And this is the room requirement based on the provided floor plan image. Here's the room requirement as infer from the layout. We have one living room, one kitchen, one dining room, two bedroom, one master bedroom, and two toilet. As you can see as the picture. Next, our wall specification. The wall specification in the image shows a wall thickness of 150 mm. A wall thickness of 150 mm is typically for partition walls or non-load bearing walls, providing adequate separation for interior space while saving on materials and space. The thickness is often used in residential design for internal walls in ensuring a balance between strength, sound, insulation, and spatial efficiency. And next, the dimensions and line. So here's our dimensions and line. As you can see, all of our dimensions are there, all the area dimensions. The dimension details. So we start with the line. As you can see, for the line we is using the red color, and baseline spacing we use 3.75. For the symbol and arrow, I prefer the arrow to be big, so I chose the size of arrow is 500, and I pick mark so it easily to see. Next, for the text, I also prefer the text is bigger so we can easily see it. So the text height I choose 500. Next, door and window placement. So our door, we have 9 door and also windows. So as you can see, the windows placement and our door placement. Move on to the next one, our scale. For scale, we use 1:100 for the scale, so it's easily to put on a paper. Next, for the layer, this is our layer properties about our walls, construction line, our windows, door, roof, and other stuff you can see at the slide. So that's all from me. I would like to pass this presentation to my next member. So that's all.
For the architecture presentation, as you can see here is link AutoCAD to architecture. For the basic wall is 150 mm and the color is black. And for the door, first door is 900 multiplied 2000. The name is LED proof panel door, and the placement in wall is 20. For the dimension is 2000. The height is 2000. The width is 850. Handle offset is 1050. Height of the opening 2080. Round height is 2180 and round width is 1087 and the height is 2009. For the second door is a leak-proof panel door. The type is 1200 multiply 2200 mm. For the placement in wall is 20. Dimension actively clear opening width is 900. Clear opening height is 2200. Opening width 1200 and handle offset 1050. Height of the opening 2230 and round height is 2380.8. For the third door is sliding door. The type is door GEALN S900 sliding door. For the dimension is wide sliding door is 2800. Height sliding door is 2100. Sliding width 1500. Gap top is 10. Gap left is 10 and gap right is 10. For the fourth door is the type is doors GLN S9000 one piece door turn. For the material and finish is plastic and the color is real wood. For dimension is the width is 1000, the height is 2100 and seal gap is 5 and gap is 10. Okay. For the floor, for the house floor, the type is 150 mm. The color is black. And for the floor foam apron is the type is 150 mm and the color is also black. For the roof and floor, basic roof, the type is 25 mm for the roof and the color is black.
I will continue to the room overview. As you can see, this is our room overview. Next, we have in our slide we have fixture and furniture. As you can see, this is our fixture and furniture for our room, for our house. Next, for the next slide is we also have our fixture and furniture. Next, as you guys can see, the last fixture and furniture is our toilet bowl. I will continue to the next slide, which is annotation and level. As you guys can see, in our slide we have front elevation and back elevation. The next slide is we also have left elevation and right elevation. So as you guys can see, this is our structural presentation. This is our floor plan. In our structural presentation, we also include a north elevation and east elevation. The next slide is we have south elevation and west elevation. Next, I will continue to our 3D view. As you guys can see, this is our 3D view for our house model. Next, I will continue to the foundation. As you guys can see, this is our foundation. Our foundation is 1000 multiple 1000 multiple 500 millimeter square. Next, I will continue to the next slide, which is the column. So as you guys can see, the column is 300 multiple 300 millimeter square. Next, for the last part is I will continue to the beam, which is 300 and 300 multiple 300 millimeter square. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.